Hey guys, Joey here with Joe's RV Tech DIY. In one of our recent videos, we discussed dirty sensors in your black tank. After emptying it, they still read full. In the video, you'll hear me talk about a magic wand. That's what I call it, at least. And this is what I use. It is a Camco flexible swivel stick sprayer. And it actually hooks up to your garden hose. And it has a little on-off lever on it. And that makes it pretty easy to turn it on and off while you're inside your RV. You want to make sure that you have a good tight fit around the hose. Make sure this is tight, because if it leaks in your RV, it'll make a big mess. And we don't want to flood your RV. So down here on this other end is the actual sprayer itself. And once this thing has pressurized, it starts spinning really fast and it shoots water almost kind of like a vortex. And you put it down inside your toilet with the valve open. You want to make sure your water is off on your actual RV itself, so you're not filling up the toilet with water while filling it up with the hose too. And you want to be mindful when doing this that you don't overfill your black tank. I recommend just doing it for a little bit, say 5 minutes or less. Make sure you start with an empty tank and then turn it off, take it outside, and then go and check and read your levels again. And while you're doing it, you can do an up and down motion, but you want to make sure you fully submerge it all the way down inside your tank. But some RV tanks are curved, so this will actually go down and curve and then end up in there. If you have a curved one, this might not be the product for you. If it just goes straight down, this will probably be a good product for you, because it'll actually do a good job of spraying the sensors and cleaning them. And in any case, this can be used just to clean up any debris that's also stuck on the walls and other areas besides just the sensors. So again, it's the RV Flexible Swivel Stick made by Camco. It's a pretty good product. As you guys can see, this is all you get, but it's got a nice brass fitting on the end of it, so you'll be able to get multiple uses out of this. It's got a little on-off switch. It comes with the gasket for the hose. So I'll post a link below where you guys can buy these if you want to support the channel. And we'll make a video later on. We're actually going to show you the process of how to clean an RV black tank with one of these. And we're just waiting to find somebody that has sensors that are still reading full and it is empty, so we can actually show you the proof and the concept. But until next time, be sure to subscribe. Make sure you like the video, share the video, and safe travels out there. Thanks for watching.